artificial systems of intelligence are able to replace virtually all human functions. So if you can think of any white-collar jobs, any or anything that can be done by humans, artificial general intelligence will have capabilities to do those tasks at either the same level of competence as humans or even surpass them. So if you think about pattern recognition, policemen, any function, any role in society, artificial general intelligence, the vision behind it is to be able to replace human labor with that artificial general intelligence. So the first step is, how on earth is that going to happen? So as outrageous as it sounds, the tech lords, as I like to call them, huge tech officially from China and have actually openly declared in different fora that they are working on building artificial general intelligence or capabilities of intelligence to replace all human labor. So this is not a pipe dream. This is something that is the focus of AI labs in Silicon Valley and elsewhere, like I said, in China. In predicting this, that is the first premise, that this may sound outrageous, but it is something that, for example, Daria Modé of Anthropic has declared openly, and many others. The second thing is that he outlines a series of steps or rungs in a ladder that see that happening in such a short time, like in 2027. And so far, a lot of his predictions were now towards the last quarter of 2024. And a lot of those predictions have actually also come to pass. So let's walk through them. The first one is the rise of the AI agent in 2025. OpenAI released an AI agent. Now, if you have not been closely following the developments, an AI agent is going to be able to perform tasks for you like a personal assistant. So for example, if you want to book a trip somewhere, you will simply give it instructions. It will go on the internet, search for the cheapest flights or train tickets, and present you with those options and probably make the payments and so on. You can also give it simple research tasks like this basic research. So that's the AI agent. And we already saw that in 2025. So from there, and this is one of the most significant steps in generating this super intelligence or artificial general intelligence, is what is called the superhuman AI coder. So right now, the models are trained by large amounts of data. They are trained. Then there's a process of either fine-tuning or reinforcement learning, where it is queried, and depending on the responses, it is either penalized or rewarded and given some kind of human feedback. And that's how it learns to, sound like an actual person, because of that reinforcement learning with human feedback and many other techniques that they're using to train these models. So instead of that being done by human programmers, this article predicts that there's going to be superhuman coders where AI is able to teach itself. So it's called recursive self-improvement. So future generations of AI are not going to need human intervention. They're going to simply learn from the previous version.